Good day, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the age of the rock and the laws of stratigraphy. Now, how old is a rock layer and in comparison to each other? The approximate age determinations of rocks, fossils, or minerals is made by comparing whether the material is younger or older than the other surrounding material. Relative age means age compared to other rocks, either younger or older. The relative ages of the rocks are important for understanding Earth's history. New rock layers are always deposited on top of existing rock layers. Therefore, deeper layers must be older than layers closer to the surface. If we talk about how old the rock is, well, geologists use different laws of stratigraphy. But today we are going to focus on the three laws of stratigraphy. And the first law is the law of superposition. A major principle of stratigraphy states that whether a sequence of layers of sedimentary rocks, the oldest layer is at the base, and of course, we have the younger one is on the top. So this is the youngest one because younger rocks on the top, and we have the older rocks found on the bottom. And that is the law of superposition. Another one is the law of original horizontality. Now, when we say original horizontality, sediments are deposited horizontally after they have been transformed into rock. Strata may be tilted or folded by various tectonic movements. However, this principle states that tilted or folded layers used to be flat. Now, for example, this one, it says that the rocks are usually horizontal. Then we'll look like this. It's been tilted or folded layers. And this is the law of original horizontality. The third one is the law of cross-cutting relationships. When I say law of cross-cutting relationships states that if a fault or another body of rock cuts through another body of rock, then it must be younger in the age than the rock lower which is cuts and displaced. Now, for examples here in the picture, so we have here layers one, two, three, four. We have four layers. However, we have here, and this is what we call the cuts. And this cut is what we call intrusion or faults. Now, when we say intrusion, the forcible entry of molten rock or magma into or between the other rock formations. Also, this is what we call intruded magma. When a fault cuts through a rock layers or when a magma intrudes the rock and hardens, then the fault or intrusion is younger than the rocks around it. So therefore, we have how many layers? So first layer, which is the oldest one. This is second layer. This is a third layer and a fourth layer. And we have here the fifth layer, which is the youngest one. And this is the law of cross-cutting relationship. Let's try whether you have learned something. In the pictures, arrange the rock layer from oldest to youngest.